So ChatGPT is now available on the desktop. So I have the Mac version installed and I'm going to walk you through what can it do. So it's the usual chat interface, plus there are some nifty tricks which we'll talk about. So here's the OpenAI page and it says ChatGPT on your desktop. This was in beta for some time, but it's now in public. So you just click learn more, go to the website, it shows ChatGPT on your desktop. You can download, it's only available for Mac right now. However, you can do a bunch of these things. You see, take screenshot, upload data, and just chat with it. So it's like a command bar, or it's like the Finder window that you have, but you can talk to it. So it seems pretty powerful. And you can just do it with option space. You can take screenshot, obviously. You can upload file. You can ask anything. You can share events. You can search conversations. Pretty much everything that you can do on the browser, but slightly better because it's now the desktop version. So on the desktop version, you can do screenshots and ask questions based on what you're doing. So it's more faster workflow. So I'm going to just try and show it a bunch of code and ask what I'm doing. So I will minimize this. I will close this and I will start from the very basic. So when you do option space, it will not work because it doesn't go as a background option. So you have to open ChatGPT, and once you open it, it will give you this. And if you suspend it to the taskbar, it will do this. So well, you can talk with it. All right, you just click this button and say take screenshot of it. It gives you a couple of options, like it gives you the browser window, so it's aware of the screen recording, the screen dynamics, and however you have to understand that you need to give it permissions to be able to do that. So you can do Finder and you can do entire screen. So I'll just do entire screen. What am I doing? It'll just maybe tell that I'm recording, because right now it will be able to see that I'm performing a recording using Descript. I don't know if it can actually do it. Looks great. I don't want to go in the audio interface, but let's go back. So it says that it looks like you're in the middle of recording a video, possibly explaining or demonstrating something. Given the green screen and the software, the timer suggests pretty accurate. It's actually very, very nice. Let's just show it some code, and I will show it a code from my different channel. I have another channel, Trading. If you don't know that, subscribe to the channel. It's called QuantLab, shameless plug. All right, I'm just gonna scan this, take screenshot, entire screen, and what am I doing? Explain what you see and make suggestions. All right, mistype something. So it took a snapshot of me in the green screen and all of that. So you're working in PyCharm, it's showing. So it's basically capturing literally everything and every important parameter that it needs to. It's actually even making suggestions for calculating better, some code organization settings. So again, not really interested in that. So let's go to the audio conversation and see how the audio could look like. We'll stop it and just go into the chat mode and see what it works. So whatever I speak will be recorded and ChatGPT will be listening. Okay. Yeah. So basically it just started to listen. I didn't have to say a wake up word.
So you're using a tool that records your speech and transcribes it for ChatGPT to respond to. Do you need any specific assistance with the tool itself? Or should we continue with the code review and suggestions?
So it's aware of the code review. So I'm going to give instructions to it. So ChatGPT, what am I doing right now? I'm trying to record a video and you see a bunch of options on the screen. What am I really trying to do?
You're recording a video where you're demonstrating and explaining how to use a Jupyter Notebook in PyCharm for stock data analysis. The options on the screen suggest you're setting up.
So it doesn't know that I'm actually talking about the ChatGPT and the video is ChatGPT itself. ChatGPT, are you aware of the fact that I'm recording the screen and this video is about ChatGPT on Mac?
Thanks for clarifying. Oh. Yes. Now I understand that you are recording a video about using ChatGPT on a Mac. You're demonstrating how to integrate and use ChatGPT within a Jupyter Notebook environment in PyCharm. Do you need any specific pointers or explanations for your video?
So this is pretty cool. I really like the tool. So I haven't bought the 4.0 model, like I've been able to happily work with the free version. But maybe for this capability, I might just get it because Siri now doesn't seem that accurate. I don't know how much of integration this has in the system, most likely not. But it would be super cool to just talk with it and continue have a conversation. Maybe I'll even give it permissions to be able to see what's happening on my screen because I don't do anything proprietary or anything on this Mac. Yeah, so what do you think about this ChatGPT? Will you steal my data and should I be worried about you listening to everything? So yeah, I've clicked to
It
cancel.
sounds like you're really excited about the possibilities of using ChatGPT on your Mac. As for your concerns, ChatGPT is designed with privacy and security in mind. It doesn't have the capability to access or store your personal data beyond the current
There you
session
go.
unless you explicitly share it. Moreover, it's important to review the terms of service and privacy policy.
Yeah, the standard blah blah blah. So I'll just stop this, go back. Yeah, so basically I think it just the chat ended and most likely I've reached some sort of a limit. So yeah, this is pretty cool. So I'm used to using ChatGPT, but if it's sitting as my browser window option space, it gives me a little convenience. And if they can do more integrations into tools, I'll really love it. All right, so that's the new tool, ChatGPT on Mac. Really excited about it. I might go and take the paid video. If you like the video, give thumbs up. I mostly talk about software architecture and technology as to how do you build it, but sometimes I get excited by things like this. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.